For this assignment, the first thing that you are going to do is watch the screencast of the syllabus Remote Expectations, this video right here titled Remote Expectations. You might have already watched that video if you clicked on the hyperlink that was posted in the weekly agenda. After you watch the video, please go to the Google Forms and let me know if you have any questions for remote learning expectations. If you do not have any questions, please write that you don't have any questions. I've also included the actual slideshow presentation in case you wanted to watch any of those video tutorials of how to turn things into Google Classroom or access the calendar. As always, you are more than welcome to email me if you have any questions about this assignment.